To turn on or off synchronized focus sound effect when voiceover is on in iPhone 14 Pro, go to setting, scroll down the screen, and then tap accessibility, tap voiceover, and then tap audio, tap sound and haptics. Next, scroll down the screen, and then under voiceover feedback section, tap synchronized focus, and then tap the on off switch next to sound to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on and your iPhone will play a sound effect for synchronized focus when voiceover is on. If needed, you can tap preview to listen how the sound will look like when it's enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.